Hey guys, this is Jonathan from AntSpec. Let's show you guys the shop real quick. So that's our showroom. We have a waiting room, a couple sales rooms, a couple display vehicles. We try to keep it interesting, for sure. In the back, we'll show you our facility. We have about 6 working bays, 2 tire machines, 2 balancers, and then the in-house alignment machine as well. We do a little bit of everything. This one, we're doing some heavy mechanical work, transmission swap, doing some fitment work on this IS300, doing a Shelby GT350 for a track prep, transmission cooler, differential cooler, doing fuel repair for this Forester, and then one of our biggest services that we offer is alignment. Right now, one of my techs, he's performing a full vehicle alignment on the Tesla Model X.
What's up guys, it's Eric from Bechler. Today we are doing a very special video. We are here at AntSpec, located in Fountain Valley. And here is Jonathan. He manages the whole AntSpec operation. And just to give you a little bit of an overview of what AntSpec does is they work on all vehicles from overland, off-road trucks like what you see behind us. And they're not limited to just Toyota Lexus. We Bechler carry a lot of Toyota and Lexus stuff, so we have a display like this, but they also work on domestic vehicles and even European vehicles, VIP vehicles, race cars, Hondas, Subaru. They cover a bunch of different vehicles, and on top of that, just because they do so many things doesn't mean that they're just generally, do general type of work. It's more like they're very specific and really have built a name for themselves within the last like almost 20 years.
Yeah.
Almost 20 years.
Almost 20 years.
So they really know what they're doing. So they serve here in Southern California, and we are here today just to introduce the company and also Jonathan from AntSpec, and Jonathan can talk a little bit more about the company.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you.
Jonathan from AntSpec. We focus on full service, bumper to bumper, from electrical diagnostics, repair, engine work, upgrades, aftermarket components, or OEM replacement. We work on anything from Prius up to an Aventador and everything in between. What we like doing as of late was a lot of the off-road stuff. So like whether it be overland builds or turnkey long travel truck packages. With re-gears, we do armor, we do electrical work, and everything in between. So what they're offering, kind of something we want to dive into too, as far as like interior upgrades, specifically audio, and then the throttle controller, which is be pretty cool to implement with our packages in general. This one would be my truck. Kind of a package we normally offer in general. Mid-travel kit, very popular option. Wheels, tires, armor, lighting. We can get anything from Baja, Rigid, KC highlights. On the wheel side, same thing, Advan, Rays, and everything in between. One thing it is lacking though is audio. Something they're definitely gonna help us out with, but it'd be nice just because our net, as far as reach, with so many different makes of models, I think it'd pay dividends and benefit everybody collectively, so. Yeah.
And going forward, AntSpec is going to be stocking and pushing our BeatSonic Encore Alpha amplifiers and also our shift power throttle response controller. So if you guys are in Southern California and near driving distance to Fountain Valley, you guys should come on, stop by their shop and ask for a demo, or go ahead and check out how the product looks. They're gonna have it here. And if you guys wanna get the products installed here, they can do that for you as well. And they have a nice lobby where you guys can hang out, watch some TV while you wait, and a really big facility to be able to cater a lot of vehicles at the same time. In addition, AntSpec will have a nice shift power throttle response controller demonstration, a demo board where it will have a throttle body and an acceleration pedal. You could link your phone to it and see how exactly it interacts with your phone. And if you want, they will have it on their vehicle as well, and then you'll be able to see how much difference it makes on the vehicles. right, guys, well, this concludes our visit to AntSpec here in Southern California, located in Fountain Valley. If you guys are nearby, make a drive by here. Ask them about Sonic products and also shift power throttle response controller. And if you want to get some other upgrades to their car, they can definitely do it for you as well. And if you need to contact them, you definitely can do so. And let me hand over the mic for Jonathan to tell you how you guys can contact them.
Perfect. Thanks again for having us. We're based out of SoCal. We have one location in Orange County, one in the Inland Empire, Pomona. If you guys ever need anything in regards to service, whether it be wheels, tires, alignment, or repairs, we can definitely help you guys out. Instagram handle for this shop would be AntSpec. The one in Pomona would be 365 Performance Plus. You could either contact Jonathan from AntSpec or Addison up in 365.
All right, guys, well, that concludes our video for today. If you haven't yet, help us by subscribing and liking our video so that we are encouraged to come out with amazing video like this for the future and to promote all the local businesses. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys on the next video.
Perfect. Thanks again.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.